Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to withdraw money from Amega. First, visit amega.finance and log into your account using your credentials. Before making a withdrawal, transfer the required amount from My Accounts, Rewards, and Cashback wallets to your main wallet. To do that, you have to click on Transfer and select the accounts or wallets you want to transfer money from. Once the funds are in your main wallet, click on Withdraw to proceed. Next, select your preferred payment provider. Please note that this must be the same method you use for your deposit. Now fill out the withdrawal form. This takes less than a minute. Finally, click Continue to submit your withdrawal request. And that's it. Your withdrawal request is now in process. Withdrawals are approved almost instantly during working hours, but processing times may vary depending on your payment method. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Amega's support team. Thank you for choosing Amega, and happy trading.